Hi guys, so today we will be talking about performance appraisals, and the very basics of performance appraisals will be discussed in this video. So when we are talking about performance appraisals, the very basic thing is that why we need performance appraisals. So what is the need of performance appraisals in an organization? So basically when we're talking about performance appraisal, it is about your personality evaluation. It is about the evaluation of your performance and potential of the employee in that organization. So it means like you were hired in 2017, you will have a review in like 2018, and sometimes you have reviews like on 6 months. So performance appraisals are used to evaluate and communicate to an employee like what is your performance over that year. So if your performance is good, like the employee is satisfied, then they will renew your contract. If the employee is not satisfied, they are not going to renew your contract. And sometimes the employee tells you that there is something for your improvement, you are lacking this and that thing in a certain area, so you will improve it and we will keep up to you. So it is a system of review, like every organization will be having this, and it is used to evaluate your job performance. So specifically this is related to your job, and when we are doing job, then you know that your job is very important, and this is used to also, like, they will ask you about your research, they will ask you about your training, and they will ask you about so many other things. So basically performance appraisal is a key thing when we are going to do job in an organization. So when we are going for a job in an organization, we have to further see that what are the performance appraisals, because as an employee we need to know that how the performance appraisals are going to work. They often give you some kind of form, or we can say that they give you document when you are hired, and this is about like performance appraisal, what it will be at the end of year. Sometimes we also have a probation for some period of time, like 6 months or 3 months, and after that there is again a performance appraisal over there. So depending on the nature of your job, the performance appraisals are performed. So in further detail, when we talk about performance appraisal, it is like the evaluating an employee's current or past performance. So like if you are hired like in 2017, same example 2018, so they will see that in 2017 what you did, and in 2018 what you did. Similarly when you go in 2019, they will see that what you did in 2017 and 18, what is the improvement and how you are going more forward. So basically it is used to share the information with you for your improvement, and like it is also used for your promotion. So performance appraisals are the key indicators in an organization. It is also a step that where the management will find out like how efficient are you, and when they are thinking to place an employee on a leadership role, so they need to know that what this employee performed over a year. So the organization need to have performance appraisal set up, and this further goes into 360 feedback. I will also discuss it in my next videos. So basically it can be an annual performance as discussed, or it can be an formal performance. So basically sometime you will be have a formal performance over a 1 year period, but most of the time every on monthly basis, like you can have different performance appraisals by your head of department, by your like CEO. He will be asking about what you have done, what you are not done, what are the ways to improve, and it can be conducted like 2 or 3 times a year. So depending on the nature of your job, the performance appraisals are performed. So this is the very basics of the performance appraisals. In next video we'll be talking about objectives of performance appraisals and why they are used in any organization. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends, and thank you.